I'd like to share with you some thoughts I had the other day when I was contemplating the moment. And I noticed that I had this deep feeling every plant, every animal, every piece of furniture, every rock and mountain, there really is no separation. That is the nature of reality. And the truth of all of these objects that we have names for is we are all the same. We are all just vast amounts of space between little shimmering waves of probability. We create our own reality, but we do not create it individually, because mind is not restricted by physical boundaries. We dream together and we create together. Emptiness, the truest description of reality itself. Emptiness. But let's look at emptiness now from the point of view of a meditator. When one experiences pure consciousness, one is not experiencing memories of the past. One is not considering visualizations of the future. If one is completely present and has pure consciousness, then there is nothing at that moment. Nothing but pure potential. So emptiness is pure consciousness with infinite potential. I remember decades ago suffering from depression and hoping I could find a place like this, the retreat center that I've now created, a sanctuary for people suffering from urban angst and wanting to just escape for a while to reset and contemplate. What we're doing is we're planting a lot of trees, making a food forest, and we're building a retreat center from natural materials. We're holding natural building workshops, and eventually we hope to have retreats for meditation, qigong, yoga, all kinds of healthy living practices that we can teach to the local people and also to people from all over the world. We're trying to promote sustainability and how to live a peaceful, loving life abroad. This state of samadhi, of oneness with all things, is most easiest to accomplish in meditation. And the concept of emptiness is actually easier to explain as oneness, I believe. They're very similar because the word emptiness in English has connotations of nothing, Well, it is nothing. Everything is nothing. But everything is everything. It's all one. Exist in the now and appreciate what we have here in the present.